Well, hi there and welcome back. Dan again from Clean Guru. So today, a short message. I saw somebody on TV. He was an actor a little bit younger than me. He's had a long career in movies, but he was telling about how he had a big hit in the very beginning and then a couple real flops. And his agent even told him, he said, you're going to have a hard time making it in the movie business. And what he said was that it was hard, but he said, you're only as good as your last movie. But the good news is, you're only as bad as your last movie too. So if you can create a success, you can be back on track. And that's what he did. He eventually worked, figured out what went wrong, and then started to create a couple real big hits. He was back on top. So the message is kind of an encouraging one. When you have big setbacks in your company, just remember, you're only as bad as that last flop. And if you turn into some successes going on, well, then you're as good as that last success. You're back on track again. So there is change that can happen. We learn from our failures, but it was a great example of keeping that optimistic attitude. Till next time, remember, you can do this. You really can.